Yo, what is going on? The time is Tuesday, May 26th, 10:08 a.m. Today we did take a trade. And hold on, let me move this around. So, here is the result of today's trade. A pretty good trade nonetheless. So we made $1,204.50. Let's get into it right here. So this is not the trade. This is actually not the trade. That was a trade I looked at, but coming into the day, this was my main target. My main objective was to see if we can come down. We had London low and WOG. I wanted to see if we can either get an entry towards NWOG or like a move up, move down to London low. But if we didn't, I would have loved to see either an SMT or just one of the assets sweep it, which is exactly what you got. If you can tell right here, as you can see, we have the SMT where ES went down and grabbed these London lows, which was my objective because all-time highs had a bunch of stacked equal highs up here. Like this was equal high, like all three of these were equal high. So high time frame equal highs, paired basically like 2 points off of all-time highs. That was my main objective on the day. Just because again, we're at all-time highs, and this was just ideal. We had got the higher time frame narrative. We got the inversion of the 5 minute. Like it was everything that I wanted to see. We opened up it was just everything. All right, well, I'll get into that when we do get into the trade more. So here we had 930 open lower and continuous lower, which is what ultimately delivered ES to take out London low. There was this trade right here, which was a 30-second, but I kind of wanted something a little bit more premium. I could have definitely taken this trade, because no, this did not inverse it, which this would have been the trade. It would have got me break even. So it would have been stop right there. Take profit, like right, 22 points. Basically this, right? Which I would have gone break even. No, it would have been 1.25 RR. Whatever was 1.25 RR, just because that's like what makes you 200, whatever, right? So I would have went break even at the 930 high, which we would have gone break even and immediately stopped out and then see price sprint up. Why didn't I take it? I don't know. I should have. I 100% should have. More of an eval play, just because of the kind of gap that this is, how it's like, did it get inverse? Did it not? Like, it was like one of those funky ass inverse. So I didn't take that. And I wanted to see if we can get a pullback or just anything towards this all-time high. We had gaps like all the way the fuck over here. But again, what did I say the other day? I don't want to take those gaps from that long ago. If it's eval, cool. Unfunded, I want something more recent. I want something just newer. We opened up a 5 minute, which when we opened up that 5 minute, let me actually go into replay, start new. Right, let's see, when we open up this 5 minute gap, this 5 minute gap, right? Hold on, let's wait. Boom. So now it's open. Look at how price sprinted to it. You see it, as soon as that gap opened, price drop us. Price drops right into it, but we don't take it yet. As you can see, we still hadn't taken it. ES did tag into it, so we have this SMT with it. I was ready to take it off the SMT, honestly. We don't get the inverse. Originally was looking at the 30-second right here, but then I realized that the 30-second lined up with the 1 minute, and then we don't get it. We respect CE. Now we tag into it, right? And we respect it really beautifully. You see the wick. Good displacement. Beautiful displacement, but closed 8 points above, so I set my limit. This was the ultimate trade. Let me pull up MNQ. This was the trade. This ended up being the trade. So we set that right there. We had stops just below the gap. So this candle doesn't tag me in. It did take this buy side, right? So yes, NQ took this buy side. I was just so confident in the draw. That's all that it was. I was just confident as shit in the draw. That was literally it. I was just confident as fuck in the draw. Get tagged in here. An immediate rejection out. Stop loss was right there. Now, it edges the fuck out of me. Like, it came down and then went back up, but that was a trade, literally a minute. It took 1 minute, like a minute 30 seconds for me to make $1,200 today. And yeah, I love this trade. This is an A+ trade. This is an A+ trade. I fucking love this trade. With that being said, not much more to say. Great way to start off the week. Counts are like 100, 20-ish low, but I'm home. I'm able to trade. I'm able to take these trades now. I'm able to be confident in everything that I'm doing. So really blessed for that. So yeah, peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in.